Shabana kwa timu poa, hatuwezi kataa. Wana timu poa, wana wachezaji wazuri na yafu zote mbili ilikuwa naweza sema ilikuwa more tactical games sababu ukiangalia Shabana walikuja wakati soga na kufunga bao kwanza within expect kitu kama hiyo, lakini the only thing ilikuwa tushaiongelea kwa team talk tukajua case wataanza kutangulia kufunga calmness tatusaidia sana, and then to stick kwa game plan yetu tusichange, sababu the moment wachezaji wana panic then wanaingia kwa panic mood, then wanaanza kufanya tofauti, then kwa ile tumeplania inapotea. So nadhani wale stick kwa plan zetu na nashukuru sana tumepata ushindi, walijua ingekuwa rahisi.
3 substitutions at once. Was that a turning point in the game?
Yeah, it was. We looked at what we had planned. It didn't work because they were leading, then we had to make a sub that could at least change the dynamics of the game. And that's why we saw even we had to bring in Masaba. Masaba is typical a wide player, but we had to deploy him in the defense so that he could give us that edge of coming up and down, so that we at least is a good, he can deliver well. That's why we had at least to pump in players who can at least give us more goals because we are down. So we had at least to come up with people who can combine well to give us the results. Yeah.
Two wins out of 2, still unbeaten in the league. What do we expect in the upcoming games?
First, I would just say thanks to the players because they are doing what they are supposed to do. And secondly, I would like to just say we will handle a game at a time. We are past this. Now we are looking into what we have next. I believe if they go with the same spirit, with the same tactical approach, then we'll register another win.
What should the Shabana coach do from your perspective?
No, I can't talk about Shabana coach. That is something different. I'll only talk about the Leopards. This is a race. He has a good team and he's a good coach. Let him just get encouraged. We'll make some good results. Because if you look at him, he has so many injuries. That's something at least as an opponent coach, I have to encourage him to work, to keep on working. Things will come out. Yeah, but he's a good coach. All I would like.